wabarakatuh. Hello students, how are you today? I hope you are fine. I hope you are in good condition wherever you are. Okay, today we are going to be your English teacher. In here we have so many useful things to share with you. So please watch the video until the end. But before we start, let me ask you some questions. The first one is, do you know how to make a fried rice? And do you know how to make a dalgona coffee? And also, do you know how to use your washing machine at home? If you know, it's good. But if you don't worry, because we will discuss it together in this video. Yeah? Do you have any idea about our material today? Yes, it's good. It's about procedure text. Okay, let my partner to explain about procedure text.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning, great students. I hope you guys are always in good condition. Okay, in this lovely morning, we are going to continue our lesson that is about procedure text. Okay, let's get started. What is procedure text? There are three definitions of procedure text. The first one, procedure text is text that explains how something works or how to use instruction or operation manuals. Example, how to use the video, the computer, the tape recorder, the photocopier, or the fax. Second, the definition of procedure text is text that instructs how to do a particular activity. Example, recipes, rules for games, science experiments, road safety rules. The third definition of procedure text is text that deal with human behavior. Example, how to live happily and how to succeed. Okay. The purpose of procedure text is to explain or to tell the reader how to make, how to operate, or how to do something through a sequence of actions or steps. And the other purpose of procedure text is to explain steps or instruction to make or operate or to do something. And then what about the generic structure of procedure text? There are three generic structure of procedure text. First one, goal. Goal is similar to purpose, similar to aim. Okay, when you can see the goal of the text, well, you can see the goal or the purpose or the aim of the text at the title. So, for example, the title is how to make a yummy fruit salad. So, the purpose of the text will be how to make a yummy fruit salad. That's the purpose. Okay, you can see it on the title. Okay, the second generic structure is material or ingredients. For example, the material to cook omelette, for example, are eggs, onion, vegetable oil, etc. The third generic structure is step. For example, first, wash the tomatoes, onion, and second, cut the onions, become slice.
Okay, today I will give you an explanation about language features that are used by procedure text. There are two language features of procedure text. The first one is using simple present tense. Mostly, simple present tense is in the form of imperative sentences or command sentences, especially in the steps section. We can see everything in the imperative form because the sentence begins with a verb. For example, add some water, mix the material, and for add some water, the word of add is simple present tense, but in the form of imperative sentence or word. Then for mix the materials, the word of mix is simple present tense, but imperative sentence or word. For the second one is using conjunction or temporal numbering or ordering to show the sequence of stages correctly, especially when the text of this procedure is written firm. For example, first add water, second mix ingredients, and for the word of first is conjunction or temporal numbering or ordering. For the word of second in the sentence second mix ingredients is the word of conjunctions or temporal numbering or ordering.
The example of the procedure text is how to connect a wireless mouse. First, plug in your mouse receiver to your computer's USB port. Then, the mouse driver will automatically be installed to detect the wireless mouse. Second, make sure that your mouse has batteries or is charged. To do this, flip the mouse over and remove the battery compartment cover. Third, turn your mouse. Usually, the on or off switch is on the back of the mouse. Finally, your wireless mouse is ready to use. Next, that is the example of the procedure text. Do you start to understand the example procedure text, guys? If you didn't say done, let's see the example. The more example watching the video. Thanks for your watching. We have seen examples of the procedure text both in the text and video form. To practice your understanding, please do the exercise carefully. Read the following text to answer question number 1 and number 2. How to clean an LCD screen. Before you answer the exercise, you have to read this text. Okay, the next text. Read the following text to answer questions number 4 and 5. How to clean a refrigerator? The same question. You have to read this text before you answer this exercise. Okay, thank you.
Okay, we can get conclusions. Purpose of procedural text is to tell the reader how to do or make something. The information is presented in logical sequence of events which is broke up into small sequence steps. These steps are usually in the present tense. Next, I will give a procedure text. Your task is find the generic structure and answer the question. Please send your question in WhatsApp our group. Okay, we will close our lesson today with say hamdalah. Goodbye, student.